The Audi A8 is the ultimate blend of luxury, technology, and performance. As Audi's flagship sedan, it offers cutting-edge features, a refined design, and a driving experience that feels effortless. Whether you're behind the wheel or enjoying the ride from the backseat, the A8 is built for those who demand sophistication and innovation in every mile. Front. The Audi A8 features a bold single-frame grille, sleek LED or optional OLED headlights, and sharp lines that emphasize its commanding presence. Exterior design. The Audi A8's exterior is a statement of elegance and power. Its streamlined silhouette, chrome accents, and sculpted body create a sophisticated yet sporty look. With dynamic LED lighting and an optional panoramic sunroof, the A8 balances modern aesthetics with timeless design, making it stand out in the luxury sedan segment. Interior design. Step inside, and the Audi A8 greets you with premium leather, open-pore wood, and a sleek digital cockpit. The dual touchscreen MMI system ensures seamless control, while the ambient lighting sets the perfect mood. With spacious rear seats offering optional massage functions, the A8 transforms every drive into a first-class experience. Market position and price. The Audi A8 competes in the high-end luxury sedan market, rivaling the Mercedes-Benz S-Class and BMW 7 Series. Known for its technology-driven approach, the A8 appeals to those who appreciate innovation and refined comfort. In the US, pricing starts around $90,000, while higher trims and customizations can push it past $120,000. With a focus on craftsmanship and cutting-edge features, the A8 offers a compelling alternative to its German competitors. It's the perfect choice for executives and enthusiasts who want a balance of luxury, performance, and state-of-the-art technology. Performance. Under the hood, the Audi A8 offers a range of powerful engines, from a turbocharged V6 to a V8 and even a plug-in hybrid. Quattro all-wheel drive ensures stability, while adaptive air suspension delivers a smooth ride. Whether cruising highways or tackling winding roads, the A8 delivers a refined yet exhilarating driving experience. Thanks for watching. More updates. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share, comments, and press bell icon.